AbanteCart is a popular dropshipping platform, but before you decide to commit, there are a few things you need to know. This platform can be a solid choice for some, but it might not be the right fit for everyone, especially when compared to its competitors. Stick around to the end, and we'll tell you what you need to know before purchasing. First off, AbanteCart is an open source e-commerce solution, meaning it's free to use, which is a major plus for those just starting out. However, the free version has its limitations, particularly in terms of customization and advanced features. Unlike Shopify or BigCommerce, which offer easy-to-use, drag-and-drop interfaces, AbanteCart requires a bit more technical know-how. You'll need some coding skills if you want to take full advantage of its capabilities, so if you're not tech-savvy, this might be a deal breaker. Next thing, AbanteCart offers a solid range of built-in features, such as product management, order processing, and payment gateway integrations. It's definitely more comprehensive than many open source options, but it's not quite as feature-packed as some of its paid counterparts like Shopify or WooCommerce, which have extensive app ecosystems and built-in tools. If you're looking for a platform that can handle complex, multi-channel selling out of the box, AbanteCart might fall a little short here. The third thing to consider is AbanteCart's design flexibility. While it does provide a good range of templates, they aren't as modern or visually appealing as what you might find with competitors like Shopify or Wix. You can always invest in premium themes or hire a designer, but that's an extra cost to keep in mind. If you're aiming for a visually stunning online store without much effort, this might not be the platform for you. The fourth thing is scalability. If you're planning to scale your dropshipping business significantly, AbanteCart can work well as long as you have the technical skills to maintain and customize it. However, for larger operations or those who want hands-off growth, platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce have a better track record of supporting businesses as they grow. Another important thing is AbanteCart's support system. As an open-source solution, the primary support is through community forums. While the community is active and helpful, it lacks the immediate, dedicated customer service you'll get with paid platforms. If you're the type who needs round-the-clock support, this could be a potential drawback. The sixth thing is security. AbanteCart is secure, but since it's open source, you'll have to be proactive in keeping your site secure, whether that's through regular updates or added security features. In contrast, platforms like Shopify automatically handle security updates for you, saving you time and stress. The seventh thing is integration. AbanteCart integrates with a wide range of payment gateways, shipping options, and other tools. However, it doesn't offer the same level of seamless integrations as some of its paid competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce, which provide instant, plug-and-play integrations with many apps and services. Next thing, AbanteCart allows you to control every aspect of your online store. From the back end to the front end, you have complete control, but that comes at a price. There's a learning curve involved. Unlike hosted platforms like Shopify, which take care of most technical details for you, AbanteCart requires you to be more hands-on. The ninth thing to know is that although the platform is free, you'll still need to pay for web hosting, which could add up depending on your provider. This can make the initial cost of getting started higher than with a platform like Shopify, where hosting is included. The 10th thing is mobile responsiveness. While AbanteCart does offer mobile-friendly themes, some of them aren't as responsive or polished as those found on other platforms like Wix or Squarespace. This is an important consideration since mobile shopping continues to grow rapidly. The 11th thing is SEO. AbanteCart gives you the flexibility to control your store's SEO, but it doesn't have the same built-in SEO tools as Shopify or Wix. You'll have to manually set up SEO features like meta descriptions, URL structures, and more. If you're not familiar with SEO best practices, this could be a challenge. Finally, AbanteCart is a solid choice if you're comfortable with the technical side of running an online store. It's ideal for users who need full control and don't mind putting in the time to get everything set up. However, if you want something that's more user-friendly, less time-consuming, and offers better scalability, you might want to check out other options like Shopify or BigCommerce. Overall, AbanteCart is a good option for those looking for a free, open-source dropshipping platform. However,